Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to contact YouTube Premium support. Alright, so if you want to contact YouTube support, here's how to do it. So first, it's kinda hidden, so you have to follow this process. First, what you have to do is open up this page. It has a complicated URL, so I will link the URL of this page in the description below, or the tutorial article I will also link in the description below. Then on this page you can see that you can contact YouTube support in these languages. So the major languages can be used to contact support, and in English you can also contact them on phone. You can live chat or email them. Alright, so if you want to contact them, you're not gonna see links here. Pretty smart. What you have to do is scroll down on this page and you will see that you can post to the help community, which I do not recommend if you want to contact them directly. What you have to do is click on this Contact Us button here. If you use the link here, which you can see on the bottom left here, that link won't work. So you have to click on this button here using this page. So click here and then you will be able to open up this form where you can contact them. So first add why you want to contact them. So let's say YouTube Premium duplicate charge, then click on next, click on next. Then of course they will try to send you to help articles, so you don't message them, but click on next. And as you can see, you have two options here. You can chat with YouTube support or you can email them. So if you select email here, you have to add your first name, last name, your channel URL, and you can describe your issue here. You can also attach files if it helps you to describe the issue, and then click on submit, and then you will send this email to them, and then YouTube support will be able to email you back with their answer. So notice how you can contact YouTube Premium support in email, chat or phone as well.